Hey guys, it's Sabrina here, aka Tube Girl. I get loads of questions about how do I achieve my Tube Girl hair and how do I make it look the way it does in my videos. And I thought that today I would be able to share with you my pre-wash hair routine. So the most important step in my whole hair routine is the Fable in Maine HoliRoots Hair Oil. Now this product has been my saving grace. I've been damaging my hair through straightening, curling, but oiling my hair with this product has kept it shiny and just lustrous. As a South Asian girly, oiling your hair is just common practice. First step is to put a few drops on the palm of your hands, and you want to warm it up until you can kind of smell the fragrance. A few ways to oil your hair, and I'm going to share with you some of my favorite methods. You want to take your hands, make tiger ears, take it from the side of your head, that's your crown chakra, and you're gonna massage it. You're gonna do it clockwise about 5 times and then anti-clockwise 5 times. Now there are so many benefits to oiling your hair. It promotes hair growth, it prevents hair fall, and massaging your hair is as important as oiling it. It actually promotes circulation, which then helps with hair growth. Another method is that you can just pinch your scalp like a crab. What I'm doing now is kind of like a snake motion. If you don't like to massage your hair with your fingers, you can also take a comb like this one. Just gonna gently massage your scalp. Do you see my curls already like coming in? It's amazing. So I've put up my hair and you can leave it in for 5-10 minutes or even overnight. So it's completely up to you. Yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the results. Guys, let's take a moment. So this is the results from the HoliRoots Hair Oil. It looks amazing. All my curls are coming back shiny and bouncy. This is the after. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the hair tutorial. Love you guys. Mwah.